So the question states that best time to buy and sell stock. In this question, we need to find the maximum profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future stock. We need to return the maximum profit that we achieve from the transaction. If we can't achieve any profit, we need to return zero. So by considering this particular array 715364, we need to go in this particular order. I mean, we need to buy the least amount here and to sell the same stock at the highest amount. So in between the difference will be the profit. So you can see it here on the day 2 the price is 1. We just bought this particular stock and then we got sell the stock on the day 5 when the price is 6 right here. The profit is 5. So in this particular case, even though if we buy 7, we cannot proceed with we cannot proceed further because it is in the decreasing order. Even though if we buy at say in the day 1, we cannot sell the stock because the price is 7, and here the I mean other than 7, the other elements which are there which are lesser than 7, so we cannot sell the particular 7 here. I mean, we cannot get any profit because all the elements which are there in this particular array are less than 7, so the maximum profit will be 0. So in order to tackle this particular problem, we have a method. So by considering this particular array, I will explain it by this considering this particular array right here. So what we need to do is we need to consider P is equal to prices of 0, which means it will consider the first element in the array, which is 7, and then maximum profit is equal to 0. I mean, the maximum value will be 0. We need to figure out the maximum profit, right? So first of all, I'm considering it as 0. Now from the for loop, I'm considering from the index 1, from right here 1, and length of the prices. It will traverse through the entire array from index 1 to the last. And now I'm checking that P prices of I, which means it will start from 1, right? Which should be less than P. Then what will happen? The P is equal to prices of I. We are assigning prices of I, which means these particular values. If this particular condition satisfies, it will assign the values to the P. So it will what I can say, change the value 7 to 1 because 1 is less than 7, right? So it will be replaced by 1. 7 is replaced by 1. Now in the else block, what we need to write here is, so in the else block we need to find out the maximum value. So and from the difference between the prices and the P in the maxi, we can able to find the maximum value here. So at the end we need to return the maxi. It is a pseudocode for this particular problem. You can try that in any particular language. I have tried this in Python. I'm much more familiar with Python, and so I've just tried it in Python.